Good afternoon everyone. So this is our project Magnolia Sports City in Barakpur. You can see these are the G+7 buildings. So what you can see right now, these are building number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 buildings are in phase 1. So you can see the construction is full swing and nearing to possession. So here we are having total 22 number of blocks, and the total area of this project is around 17 acres, and we are having 2 BHK and 3 BHK flats available. So come and see 1 2 BHK. So now you can see this is a 3 BHK flat currently under construction. This is the living cum dining area, and this is the balcony facing towards Kalyani Expressway, you can see, and in the distance you can see the Barakpur. So come this side. So this is the lobby, and just on the right side you can see this is the kitchen space. This is the first bedroom with wardrobe space and a big size window along with the great view of Kalyani Highway. This side, this is the common washroom, and just opposite to that this is the master bedroom with attached toilet. So this is the attached toilet area, and this is the master bedroom. You can see both the side this bedroom is having windows, so you can see the beautiful Kalyani Expressway. And on this side also, so beautiful view from the window of the flat. So this project is currently under construction. It will going to be handover within 1 year of time for the phase 1. You can see this is the third bedroom along with another big size window. So this is the under construction 3 BHK. You can also see a 2 BHK. Let's see. So this is a 2 BHK. So come this side. This space is 735 square feet sellable area. You can see from this window also you can get excellent view of Kalyani Expressway. So this is the living cum dining space. Come this side. On my left, this is the kitchen space with big size window. Just opposite to that, this is the first bedroom along with a big size window facing towards the Kalyani Expressway side, and you can see the green view, excellent connectivity. And this side you can have common toilet. Just opposite to that, this is the master bedroom with attached toilet with big size window, and this master bedroom is having both the side windows and additionally wardrobe space. So you can see the view from this window, excellent view. And from this side also you can see the green view. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this project, then please come and visit. We are having some exciting offers going on for very limited period. So if you are interested, then call early as possible and take the discount offers, because it's for very limited period and very limited number of flats are available. Currently we are only having 10% availability left. So thank you friends, thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe this channel for further updates.